close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Dito kami ngayon sa Hidden Valley Park dito sa Burlington. At dumayo kami dito ng picnic,
Para
barbecue.
makapag-ihaw-ihaw sa labas.
Yan. Ito ang aming niluluto. Merong malapit dito na park, playground, ganyan. Pero hindi pwedeng gamitan syempre. Pero may splash pad sila. Doon magpapalamig mamaya.
Hidden Valley Park is located in Burlington, around 30 minutes drive from Toronto via 403. The park has different areas for picnics and gatherings that can accommodate up to 600 people. Bringing your own portable barbecue or cooking stove is allowed in the park, so you can cook up your favorite food outdoors. The park is also surrounded by Grindstone Creek, where you can take some scenic pics for your IG. The splash pad has some safety reminders to promote the public's welfare. It is also open from 9 a.m. until the sun sets.
Lagyan tubig. Nabasa ako eh.
Ito sa likod mo. Nakaupo ka ba naman dun? Yeah, let's go have fun! Sobrang init kasi kaya ang sarap dito. Grabe nga lang sa pagkalamig ng tubig.
Wow! Galing mo ah.
There is also the occasional visit from the ice cream truck that sells ice cold yummy treats.
Guys, it's so yummy. We got ice cream.
Can I taste it?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Do-do-do-do.
Gutom.
It's okay now.
Other features of this park are a spacious field with a baseball diamond, rain shelters, and washrooms.
So yan guys, dito na po namin tatapusin ang vlog. Hope you enjoy our video for today. Bye! Thank you for watching. See you on our next vlog!